Have you ever seen an animal that looks like a pig, walks like a hippo, and has a nose like a baby elephant? Meet the tapir, one of the most bizarre yet fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. And no, it's not a mix of different animals. It's 100% real and surprisingly important. Tapirs are shy, forest-dwelling mammals found in parts of Central and South America, and also Southeast Asia. Despite their awkward appearance, tapirs are ancient survivors, often called living fossils. In today's video, we'll uncover the truth about tapirs, how they live, what makes them so unique, and why the rainforest needs them. With their round bodies, stubby legs, and short, flexible snouts, tapirs seem like they were assembled using leftover animal parts. But that snout isn't just for show, it's a powerful tool. Tapirs use it to sniff out food, grab leaves, and even snorkel while swimming. And despite weighing up to 300 kilograms, these animals are excellent swimmers, often diving into rivers to cool off, escape predators, or just float around like oversized rubber duckies. Tapirs are mostly active at night, quietly roaming the forest floor in search of fruits, berries, and leaves. They're solitary animals, preferring to stay alone, and rarely seen by humans, unless caught on hidden cameras. But don't be fooled by their quiet lifestyle. Tapirs play a critical role in the ecosystem. As they eat fruits and walk through the jungle, they spread seeds through their poop, helping new plants grow. They're like silent gardeners of the rainforest. One of the most surprising things about tapirs? They love water. They not only drink and bathe in it, they also swim with impressive grace. Tapirs often use rivers as highways, moving from one part of the forest to another. Their eyes and ears stay above water, while their flexible snout acts like a snorkel. This unique adaptation helps them stay safe and mobile, even in flood-prone environments. Tapirs have been around for more than 20 million years. They once roamed large parts of North America and Europe, but today, they survive only in a few regions. There are 4 living species of tapir today, and each one is endangered due to deforestation, hunting, and habitat fragmentation. So while they may look strange, tapirs are ancient relics of a time long gone, and they deserve our protection. The next time you see a tapir, remember, it's not just a funny-looking forest creature. It's a seed-spreading, water-loving, rainforest-protecting machine. In a world where every animal plays a part, the tapir proves that even the strangest-looking creatures can be the most important. So, is it half pig, half elephant? Not at all. It's a tapir, and it's one of nature's most underrated engineers. Which tapir fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories every week, only here on Easy Way.